Starting a new project today. I'm gonna go ahead and tear the whole roof off the house. Pick the back up with an 8-foot wall on the back. Give more room upstairs. Pretty much keep all the bottom like it is on the bottom level. Let's go around back. All right, starting upstairs first, getting everything tore out, sheetrock, knee walls, whatever we got tore out. We're gonna take that window out and get everything thrown down here. There's our dumpster. Just a simple roof line. Like I said, all this comes off. Here we go. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Tearing out the inside. We got to tear these two walls down right here. Widen the staircase. What's up, Tom?
Good morning, good morning.
Of course, this is all the upstairs of the house. We'll tear the whole roof line off. All the way down to the floor joists. Pretty much put another roof line on it all the way down. All right, made my way up on the roof. Just looking at it, we got to get every inch of this off here. Ain't really much roof if you look at it from this point of view anyway. It's a square box house. Little gable out on the front, so. Coming down. All right, this is what we're looking like after getting it gutted out. Still got to come through here and get all the insulation out. Get it bagged up. All right, we're on our second day here. Getting the roof line tore down on the back. Getting these rafters off here so we can rejoist the house out. Start building our back wall. Keep on keeping on. All right, here's what we're looking like in the attic. After getting the roof line off on the back, gotta get all this cleaned up. Rejoist beside these 2x6s. We'll go back with 2x8s. Still gotta take all the roof line off the back, but we're gonna go ahead and work with this end first. Gotta build a 6-foot knee wall on the back, then shed up from there with our other roof line. All right, got a good chunk of the back of the house tore off, as you can see. Let's walk on around here. I kept the main ridge up, so what we're gonna do is go ahead and put our new joists on. Got some of them on now. We're gonna run our decking up here to build this back wall all the way across. I got 2 dormers. 2 8-foot dormers. Well, of course the walls upstairs are 8 foot. So I got 2 dormers to put back here. And probably gonna go ahead and put the back roof line on and put the ridge in the air, leg it up, deck it out. And we'll go from there. All right, here on the inside, We're going to take this set of stairs right here. We're going to keep this wall here, of course, and widen it this way. 3 foot all the way down over into this room. Of course, you'll see a little slope right there coming up. Of course, this wall here comes over. This door is going to widen out. All this will widen out. Look okay, I'll level. You good? All right. Pretty straight. Pretty close. Down a little bit. Good. Good. Good? All right. Okay. Come on down. There we go. That's good enough. We got a few nails at the bottom. All right, we'll cut our timber boards for the top. Okay, good deal. All right, here we're on the inside. Got it quite a bit tore out, making the bathroom bigger. Put some closets, widening all that out. Put the staircases up here. That's a temporary 2x4s on it. Trim guy will tear them off. Put a 1-inch oak on top. There'll be a pantry for the kitchen under the stairs right here, so we'll put a door right here and give them some pantry area. You see the original set of stairs went up right here, so this was their pantry. So now we're going to move all this over, put them a door here. So got to get all the front of the door off. This is what we're looking like on the back so far. 6-foot knee wall, 8-foot dormer, 2 windows right here. Got it tarped up for now. Been a lot of rain, or expecting a lot of rain anyway. Nothing's really fell from the sky yet, but we still got to keep our tarp up there to be on the safe side. Save the hardwood floors. So we got to get all this tore down, then re-tarp back over. Start again. All right, tearing down the porch. You think? Odd, it's about rained us out today. Putting a little plastic up around the house. Got our tarps on. Got a little bit of the porch tore off today. We're doing some inside work now, all around the bathroom, the kitchen. But we're gonna call this one a day here. Y'all take it easy. Catch you on the next one.